Hi friends, I am just off the pickleball courts, not surprising, but it is my birthday today, my final birthday in my 50s. So I am super excited to be launching eye and lip repair, especially for the thin skin, the discoloration around the eyes, your marionette lines, and around the lips. Super easy to use, highly nourishing with vitamin E, avocado, L-lysine, and green tea, high antioxidant ingredients. And this is all natural botanicals, USA made. And what you do is you just, around those lip lines, just put it around your mouth, and the thin skin around your eyes. This is great for firming and the elasticity. So throughout the day, just apply it where you have the lines. Super easy. I highly recommend you keep one at your desk, on your countertop, in your car, in your purse, because anytime you think of it, and again, I'm just off the courts and sometimes I'll just take it and put it around the lip lines, but it's really good because we do get those lips, the lip lines in our lips as well. At 59, I'm battling all of it, but I absolutely love this, and I've got it on intro price today, 2 for $21. Got an 8-pack too, so bless your friends with one. So check it out. Check out all the ingredients and the benefits. USA made, all natural, and I hope you love it like I do. I just absolutely am thrilled to launch this on my birthday. Okay, thanks so much.